Ever think about how the future is made? It starts with a spark, an idea most people hear and go, that's impossible. Then it turns into obsession most people would call crazy. The people who make the future are the ones that hear impossible and take it as a dare, as fuel to prove what they're capable of. But I think the world is missing the real story. Everyone looks at the headlines, but they're missing what's happening right now. We see the success stories, but we forgot those same builders were written off as crazy for years before it worked. Every success has a graveyard behind it, but most people never get to see it. If you want to see the future being built right now, watch the so-called crazy ones. The next generation of builders is full of them. For a long time, society told them a story. They said, we don't build here anymore. It's too expensive, it's too regulated. Just learn to write code. Let someone else build their future. We were taught to stay inside the lines. The urge to build is in everyone, but only a few are brave enough to try. It's not that we can't build. We chose not to. We chose comfort over capability. But this next generation says, fuck that. Today, we're witnessing an industrial renaissance. For decades, our smartest minds were told to play in a digital sandbox. But computers aren't just for information anymore. They're democratizing our ability to make. This group is done with just pixels. They're taking the speed of software and leveraging it to build the physical world. We're printing in metal and plastic, cutting and joining with light, and we're designing and shaping with code. What used to require a factory now fits in a garage. This is the era where we transform bits into atoms. When you see it happen, it feels like magic, but they aren't magicians, they're builders. We spent enough time speculating, enough time debating, now we build. The media always shows the ribbon cutting, the rocket landing, the we did it, but every success has failures before it. In the messy middle, behind every yes, there's a graveyard of no's. And here's the amazing part. Despite every no, they stay. They stay because they know that a prototype that fails is worth more than a theory that works. And they're willing to stick with it. This is the secret behind the magic, the persistence in making. The world is full of opinions, but it's starving for people like this. But here's the reality. No one builds in a vacuum. This movement is just getting started and we need everyone. We need the storyteller, the investor, the regulator, the friend, the spouse who forgives the late nights because they believe in the vision too. We need to build this together. There's an old saying, if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. Well, we have the tools to go fast. Now it's time to go far. So here's our ask. Let's not just have the future be something that happens to us. Let's join the crazy ones and build it together.